Is it done?
It's done.
Well, look at you with the high tech, huh? In my day, we used an Instamatic.
Yeah. Well, times have changed.
She was a beautiful girl. It's a shame. But that's life, right, Danny?
I guess so, yeah.
Can you print me one of those?
Sure.
I gotta say, I had my doubts about you going through with this, but you made me proud, Danny. Real proud.
Yeah, Vinny, I'm in.
So?
Well, I gotta tell you, this looks like the real thing. Danny did what he was supposed to do. I saw the explosion. They pulled someone out. It was a woman.
And?
I don't think she's gonna make it, Vinny.
Good.
Who was she?
It doesn't matter. Now make sure we're clean and get out of there. Don't let anybody see you.
You got it.
Is that your confirmation that I'm not lying?
You know how it is, Danny.
Yeah, I do.
Sorry for doubting you, Danny. I know this is tough, but it's tough on all of us. Yeah. Eden was a good kid, but she made bad choices. Bad choices have consequences.
All choices have consequences.
And yours will pay off, I can promise you that. You're one of us again, Danny. You and I are gonna do great things together.
Yeah, right now I think I just need a drink.
Help yourself. I got something to take care of. I'll be right back.
Hey, it's me. I was hoping you'd pick up. Maybe you're still at Cedars. I don't know. Call me when you get this. Okay, I just was thinking about you. Okay. Bye. Love you.
Oh my God, Michelle! 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 Come on, Michelle, please. Michelle, please. Michelle. Michelle, please. There. Come on, Michelle. Michelle. Michelle, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Michelle. Oh, please. Michelle. Michelle, please. Michelle. Michelle. Michelle, please. Michelle, please don't leave me. Michelle. Michelle, please look at me. Stay with me. Stay with me, please. Okay? Please. Stay with me.
Tony.
Stay with me, Michelle. God, stay with me.
You're still here? Why don't we have a drink?
Have another?
Yeah, let's make it a toast. To Eden. You do the honors since you're the last one to see her alive.
All right. To Eden. Here's hoping she's in a better place.
Salute.
Salute. Sorry. Excuse me, I gotta. This is about my kid. Yeah, everything okay?
Well, it went like clockwork. We're in the ambulance now.
Great, that's great.
And what about your end? Is Salerno convinced that you took Eden out?
Yeah. Just finishing up here and then heading home. Do me a favor, tell Robbie I'll call him when I get there. Thanks.
It's a family.
Good, fine.
Listen, I know you and the missus are on the same page as far as you know, getting back into the game. But this, what happened at the warehouse, I don't think you should tell her about it.
Don't worry about it, I wasn't planning on it. So I'm gonna take off. I'll call you in the morning?
Yeah, you do that. Danny, beautiful work tonight. Beautiful.